An Elliott wave trader clarifies why the NASDAQ 100 got up. Part 2. An Elliott wave trader clarifies why the NASDAQ 100 gaps up. Part 2. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSGW at 24 traders. And our website is www.24elliottwaves.com. Alright? The title of this video is An Elliott wave trader clarifies why the NASDAQ 100 index got up. Part 2. Alright, so we have recorded the first part of this video, which is part 1. This is part 2. Alright, it's very important for traders to understand, okay, alright, why, okay, a financial instrument, okay, is gapping up or is gapping down. Alright, so on the 23rd of October 2015, we have noticed here that the NASDAQ 100, okay, gap up, okay, from the level of 4503 all the way up to the zone of 4599. This is a huge gap. All right. So why are we recording this video about okay, if a NASDAQ 100 gapping up? What has got to do with Elliott wave? All right. The first thing first, one of the common trading mistakes that the Elliott wave traders are making is that they are discounting, okay, the economy news. All right, so traders will learn the 13 specific Elliott wave pattern, and they will apply, okay, the Elliott wave technical analysis. Apart from the Elliott wave technical analysis, most Elliott wave traders do not pay attention to, okay, the economy news. All right, so we're going to go now. I would like to encourage traders to watch the full length for this video, okay, so they may improve, okay, their Elliott wave trading. All right, all right. So you want to become a mature Elliott wave trader. You want to become a better Elliott wave trader. I would like to encourage you to watch the full length for this video, okay? So recently, all right, on a weekly chart for the NASDAQ 100, okay, we have seen, okay, we have seen a triangle, okay, which is a corrective wave, all right, on the weekly chart, okay. Trying to adjust my chart here, all right. So what we have noticed, we see that the price went down. Pay attention on the weekly chart. The NASDAQ 100 went down. You see from here all the way down here, and then went up 1, 2, 3, and the price was near the level of 4453. All right. So all we say to traders, the priority to bearish signal below the level of 4453, and priority to bullish signal above the level of 4453. All right. So what we are saying to trader is that trader must be ready to sell and ready to buy. Trader must be bullish and bearish at any time. Okay. So when we have a key level, we can okay, be bullish above the key level and bearish below the key level. So, but I want you to pay attention carefully. So we have seen now, okay, a triangle, which is the ascending triangle being formed, okay, but the pattern is not yet completed. So what we are talking about is that we see the A, B, C, okay. Now we are waiting for, okay, the D and the E. So we were expecting the price to pull back to retest the edge of the, okay, this trend line here, and then to continue to go up to the top of the triangle to form the A, B, C, D, E, a chart pattern. Okay, my friend, I encourage you to watch the full length of this video. So when the price reaches this level and form the E, we will give priority to bearish signal once again below the level of 4453 and a bullish signal above the level of 4453. But the pattern is not yet completed. So we were here on the weekly chart, okay? So in fact, I recorded some video that I posted on 24 stock trader day trading. I was selling the NASDAQ 100 below the level of 4453 because of this pattern that is being formed but not yet completed, okay? So on Friday, on the 23rd of September 2015, the NASDAQ 100 has gap up, okay? And then we have this tall candle on the 23rd of October 2015, and we want to know why the NASDAQ 100 has gap up on that particular day, why the price did not come down as we expected. Now you have to understand what I say to you also when we are counting Elliott wave or when we are using the Elliott wave principle. Okay, like a trader put a comment on our chart. I say to traders that the Elliott wave principle is a powerful guide that we use, but it's not an exact science. It allows us, okay, to look inside the price, to interpret the price, to interpret the language of the price, and to forecast the next price move. So these are, okay, guidelines that we follow, and also it's a guide that we adhere to, all right? But a common Elliott wave trading mistake is to assume that, okay, the price will definitely, okay, do what we are expecting, all right? Now, that's not the best way forward. What I'm trying to do here, my friend, I'm trying to change the mindset of traders so they may make a consistent winning trade. They may achieve consistent winning trade. So because the price was on the edge of the triangle, it makes sense that we give priority to bearish signal below the level of 4453 and a priority to bullish signal above. But generally, traders, when they see a pattern like this, 1, 2, 3, they will just go and sell, expecting the price to continue to go down and to complete the pattern. As you can see here, the price did not come down as we expecting, but instead it breaks above the level of 4453. By understanding exactly what is taking place here, one will know that if the price finds support above the level of 4453, one should become bullish. Instead of selling, one should become bullish if one wants to buy, okay? But if you do not want to buy, you can decide not to buy at all. But if there is no signal to sell, one cannot sell. And last Friday, the NASDAQ 100 has gap up. Why the NASDAQ 100 has gap up? Okay. In order to become a better Elliott wave practitioner, okay, according to, okay, our trading style, what we recommend to traders all the time is to use what we call the trading triangle or the trading drill, okay, the trading triangle, all right, the trading triangle. The trading triangle consists of, okay, analyzing first the market, then the sector before the financial instrument. Now there is a video at the George Trio YouTube channel. Check it out, George Trio YouTube channel. Type in, search for, okay, what is a trading triangle, or what is, okay, what is a trading triangle by George Trio, all right? You may see that video, okay? So, if you are trading the NASDAQ 100, for instance, you are trading the NASDAQ 100, you are counting Elliott wave, you have recognized a pattern, okay? The NASDAQ 100, there are other market, okay, indicators that are influencing the NASDAQ 100. This is about the trading triangle, okay? So we know that for the NASDAQ 100, I would like to recommend to traders, okay, Market Watch. So go to www.dayprotraders.com and click on Market Watch, okay? And then you understand what I'm talking about here. All I'm saying about trading triangle, you understand it. Go to www.dayprotraders.com, click on Market Watch, and read everything carefully, all right? So because there are two market leaders for the NASDAQ 100. The first market leader for the NASDAQ 100 is Google stock. The second market leader for the NASDAQ 100 is Apple stock. So talking about the trading triangle, my friend, I don't want the video to be too long, so I will not be talking about the trading triangle, but I will just mention it here. All right, so go to dayprotrader.com, click on Market Watch, okay, please. The market indicators will influence, okay, all right, the sector or the group to which they belong to. So when we are talking about the NASDAQ 100, we have 100 blue chip American stocks, and there are two market leaders. These market leaders will influence, okay, the NASDAQ 100 index, which is the index that represents those, okay, 100 blue chip stocks. So if one is using Elliott wave, for instance, trading the NASDAQ 100, and one does not understand the trading triangle, one can be in trouble. So what we say to traders is that if you are trading the NASDAQ 100, you must also pay attention to Google stock and Apple stock, because these are market indicators. These are the market leaders for the NASDAQ 100, okay? We know that the Dow Jones Index has 4 market leaders, okay? All right, so go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on Market Watch, and you will see what I'm talking about, okay? Sometimes, okay, my friends, traders are trading one financial instrument, but there are other market indicators that are influencing that financial instrument, all right? So, for instance, you are trading, okay, another stock, Amazon, for instance, that is listed on the NASDAQ 100. Google stock and Apple stock will influence Amazon stock. You are trading Yahoo stock using the Elliott wave principle. You must also pay attention to Google stock and Apple stock, because these are the market leaders, okay, of that particular group. All right. I want to show you what has happened on Friday. On Friday, all right, Google has released, okay, their, okay, Q3 earnings, and they have, okay, exceeded, okay, the analyst forecast, okay? So if I click here, I want you to watch this video and pay attention to everything that I'm saying here. They say Alphabet, Google Alphabet. They have changed their name recently. So Google stock is called now Google Alphabet. You have 2 epics. Okay, that's another matter. So Alphabet beat Q3 expectation with earning per share, EPS, stand for earning per share of okay, $7.35. So this is very, very bullish. So this is the earnings season. Okay, the third quarter is now closed. All right. So in October we have the earnings. All right. So Google has released their earnings after, okay, the market closed on Thursday. So on Thursday the market is closed, the New York is closed, and then Google released their earnings, and they have exceeded, okay, all right, the analyst forecast, okay, talking about the earning per share. They have exceeded the earning per share that has been forecast by the market analysts. All right, this is a very bullish news. You have to understand that the big financial institutions are allowed to trade even if the market is closed. All right, so retail traders cannot trade when the New York is closed, but you have to understand that the big financial institutions, the banks, can trade when the market is closed. So when the news is released, these okay, big institutions were trading, and the next day when the market is open, we have seen that Google stock has gapped up. All right. All right. You can also go to Google Finance. Okay, put the epic of Google, GOO. All right. There are 2 epic now for Google. One is GOOG. The next one is GOOL. Use GOOG. All right. So I'm going to go now to the 2-hour chart for Google stock. You can see that this is Google. All right, on the 2-hour chart. And on Friday, the stock gap a big time. All right, this is a market leader for what? The NASDAQ 100. So If a market leader gap up, what will happen to the index itself or the sector? The sector also will gap up. The index also will gap up. All right? Are you with me? If the market leaders of the Dow Jones gap up, there's a high chance that the Dow Jones itself will gap up. All right? So if Apple stock gap up, there's a high chance that the NASDAQ 100 index will also gap up. So if you are trading indices and you are using the Elliott wave theory, I encourage you, all right, also to learn about the trading triangle. The trading triangle is very simple. It's all about trading first the market, then the sector, before the individual financial instrument. The heart of the trading triangle, we have the market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamentals. In fact, the heart of the trading triangle is so important. So you are trading a stock that belongs to a group. You want to know the market leaders of that particular group. If these leaders are bearish, there's a high chance that, the index will become bearish. And also, if you are trading a stock that are listed on the NASDAQ 100 and the market leaders are bearish, you should give priority to the bearish signal if you are trading stocks that are listed, on the NASDAQ 100. So if Apple and Google stock are bullish, it's better to give priority to bullish signal, to concentrate on bullish financial instrument on that particular day, those stocks that belong to the NASDAQ 100. All right, it makes sense? So the point I'm trying to make here, my friend, all right, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say here. It's not all about technical analysis. It's about combining the technical analysis and the fundamental. Otherwise, you'll be going round with your Elliott wave theory, and at the end, you may become disappointed because you may think that the theory is not working. The theory is a guide, it helps us to understand the language of the price, but there are other elements, this is what I'm trying to tell you now. There are other elements that will influence, the market. The market leaders, the economy news, will influence, the technical analysis. That's why sometimes you see traders or even some bank, some experienced trader will wipe out their trading account because they are just using the Elliott wave theory like a science. So in order to improve your trading or investment decision when you are using the wave principle, one must always combine the wave technical analysis with the fundamental. Go to Google Finance, check the financial, perform Google Asset tests, and also use what we call the trading triangle. In fact, for many traders, the missing puzzle is what? The missing piece is, the trading triangle. So traders can use technical analysis, they understand the price, they can trade, but they never achieve consistent when they trade because they don't incorporate the trading triangle in their trading strategy. So, but the experienced traders, they understand the market, know that if one is trading a stock that belongs to the NASDAQ 100, one must also pay attention to the market leaders. They also understand the importance of the market indicators. Gold is a market indicator, The dollar yen is a market indicator. Crude oil is a market indicator. These market indicators can influence the market indirectly. And sometimes swing traders, position traders, and investors sometimes get into trouble because they ignore these market indicators and the market leaders, and they do not apply what we call the trading triangle. It is important for traders that are learning the Elliott wave theory to understand that one should always, adhere to the trading triangle when one is using, the Elliott wave principle. All right? Let's pause the video for a second because I have to do something here. Hold on a second. Let's continue. So, like you see here, Google stock has gap up, which is a market leader for the NASDAQ 100. Let's check Apple stock, Let's see Apple stock, Apple stock, let's see what has happened on Friday. This is Apple stock on Friday, 23rd of, on the 2-hour chart here. Here it is. It gap up also, you see. Apple stock gap up, okay, and went up. So the two market leaders were very, very bullish that day, and because of that, okay, the NASDAQ 100 index break above, okay, the triangle that we are looking at, okay, on the weekly chart. In fact, it gap up also. If I go back to the 2-hour chart of the NASDAQ 100, you can see that as Google gap up and the Apple stock gap up, okay, the NASDAQ 100 also did gap up, okay? You see here? This is the gap for the NASDAQ 100 index. The market indicators, in this case, clearly influence, okay, the NASDAQ 100, all right? It makes sense? If you are trading Forex, all right, you want to pay attention to the euro dollar. The euro dollar is a market indicator for the Forex, for currency pair that are positively correlated to the euro dollar, all right? Crude oil will influence the euro dollar. So crude oil is a market indicator for the euro dollar. So when we are trading the euro dollar, we are also watching crude oil because it will also influence the euro dollar. Okay? So you want to understand what are the market indicators that are influencing the financial instrument that you are trading, all right? And also you want to apply, okay, the trading triangle. So now you understand that you are learning about the Elliott wave principle, all right? Now you want to, okay, use also the trading triangle to improve your decision. So that's why I say to traders, talking about the videos that we recorded recently about the Elliott wave triangle, okay, you remember? I say to traders clearly that, okay, when we see a triangle, all right, we don't want to adopt the old-fashioned way of thinking, saying that, okay, it's a continuation pattern, the price was going up before, so it will go down or it go up because it's a continuation pattern. What we say to traders, we want traders to stop thinking that way, stop thinking that a triangle is always a continuation pattern, all right? We clarify that. At 2-4 Elliott wave, what we are saying to traders, a triangle is not always a continuation pattern. What we have said to traders, what we want traders to keep in their mind, when we see a triangle, we are thinking that anything is possible. It makes sense? Anything is possible. Why? We also explained it already in that video. We say to traders that because orders are placed above to buy and sell, and then are also placed below the triangle to buy and sell. Therefore, it is crazy, in fact, okay, irrational for traders to assume that, okay, a triangle is always a continuation pattern, because in the old days, it was like that. People will buy because they say everybody believe that it's a continuation pattern, and they will trade that way. But the market is now very, very sophisticated, and traders are trading differently. There is what we call a hedging activity in the market, and it's not like the old way when people see a chart pattern, they say it's a bullish chart pattern and no one should sell. Today, in this current market environment, people can sell even if they see a bullish chart pattern. Okay, the contrarian traders, for instance, can sell when everybody is buying. Okay, so you want to understand that. Okay, so you don't make some mistake or wipe out your trading account. Okay, you understand? So you see here, so the pattern is still in place. So though the price gap up now, so we will say that this, okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, so now you leave your triangle like this on your chart and you just follow the price. Where is the price now? The NASDAQ 100 is at a resistance zone. So all we will say now, priority to bullish signal above the level of 4. See, you see, as we did here. We never say to trade a buy or sell. So we will say again, priority to bullish signal, the price now here, you see, near the level 4624. Priority to bullish signal, okay, so in fact I will say priority to bullish signal above 4629. And priority to bearish signal below 4629, because we are in a resistance zone. This is a resistance zone for the NASDAQ 100. Will it go up to retest the high in the zone of the ultimate high at 4694? Will it reach 4694? We will see, all right? But right now, there is a resistance here. That's the green line here. That's why I leave my line on my chart all the time. It's now at 4629. All these levels here on my chart are key levels. We were here at near the zone of 44553 before, and we were telling traders prior to bull bearish signal below, because the pattern has been formed. The price was near the resistance zone for day trading purposes. We were selling it here, and the following day on Friday, the price got up. Okay, that's why we say to traders, use a top-down trading method and also combine the technical analysis with the fundamental. You know, sometimes when we are talking like this, some traders will ignore it. Myself, I've done it before when traders are talking about pay attention to the economy news, use the 5% money management rule. I don't want to know, okay? When I was trading first, I don't want to know. I don't want to go to Google Finance, okay? That's what I was doing before. But now we understand it. And we encourage traders to go to Google Finance to check the economy news, to check the financial, and to perform Google Asset tests. We're also encouraging traders that are using the Elliott wave pattern to use the trading triangle. Now, remember the word that I'm using here. The trading triangle consists of analyzing first the market, then the sector, before the individual financial instrument. Now, apart from the individual financial instrument, one will also pay attention to the economy news and the market leaders. Okay? The market leaders is so important because they can influence the sector to which the financial instrument belongs to, or the group to which the financial instrument belongs to. All right? Very, very powerful. Here we are. This is a typical example why the NASDAQ 100 gap up. Here it is. All right? A market leader has gap up, two market leaders has gap up, and the sector and the index, in fact, the NASDAQ 100 also has gap up. All right. Now, what do we say about the Elliott wave? Is the Elliott wave valid or not? Yes, it is valid. A triangle is being formed. The triangle is not yet completed, but the economy news, this is what we are talking about, the economy news and the fundamentals can change the dynamics of the market. So what usually takes place, traders will learn Elliott wave, they know it by heart, they recognize the pattern, but they ignore the economy news, and they don't apply what we call the trading triangle, and they get into trouble. You will see even, okay, in some big financial institution, you will see that a trader will wipe up a lot of money for their firm because he or she is applying the Elliott wave like a size, and they will expose, okay, themselves to, okay, huge losses, okay? And we don't want traders to think that way. As you see here, as I said to you before, a triangle, when we see a triangle, we say what? Anything is possible. Why? Because orders are placed here. So you see here, when we were here before, there were orders above here to buy. There were orders here to buy and to sell. Some orders are here to sell. Some orders are here to buy. Here again, there are orders here to buy, and there are orders here to sell. You understand? All right, now the price bounce went now. This order here were filled, the price ran fast and gap up and propel it to the highest point. You understand? Anytime you see a triangle, do not assume that this is a continuation. And again, if you are day trading and swing trading, always use, okay, the top-down trading method. I'll put the link about the multiple time frame trading method in the description section, so you may also learn from, okay, multiple time frame, okay, trading method, okay? It makes sense? It is also powerful. So at this point in time, what do we do? Okay, so now we see the pattern is still in place, so we have it, it went down, yes or no, okay? Now it went up, 1, 2, 3. Our triangle is still here, all right? So the price is now out of the triangle. So the price out of the triangle, traders will measure, okay, the height of the triangle. So you see here, this distance here, all the way down. Try to be a little bit conservative, all right, all the way down here. And they will project it, okay, to the top of the triangle. So this distance here, they will project it to the top of the triangle, and they will expect the NASDAQ 100 to continue to go up. But that remains to be seen. This is just the theory about setting target when the price is out of a triangle. All right? So now, the price is at a level of 4629. We will give priority to bullish signal above the 4629, which means breaks above, run away a little bit, and then pull back, find a support, and then we use a top-down trading method. If you receive a bullish signal, we will trade it. If the signal fell, we are out of the trade. We are now at a resistance zone, and the price now in the zone of 4629. Priority to bullish signal above, and priority to bearish signal below. Myself, at this point in time, I will be giving priority to bearish signal below, and I don't want to buy it above. All right? Some trader may buy, it may continue to go up, but I don't want to buy it. If I receive a sharp signal below 4629, I will take it. If it goes above 4629, I will not trade it. It makes sense? It is also powerful. We will see the reaction of the price, what the price will do. Will it come back inside the triangle, or will it continue to reach the target, okay, of the triangle? That remains to be seen. But right now, trader must use a top-down trading method on here, the level of 4629, bullish above and bearish below. Once again, as you can see, a pattern is being formed, A, B, C. The price was here before. We were expecting it to pull back, but now, due to the economy news and the fundamental, the dynamics of our technical analysis has changed. You see now? So I say this all the time in my video, that the economy news and the fundamentals can change the dynamics of the market. This is one good example. That's why we are recording this video today, to show traders that when we are applying the Elliott wave theory, we must always pay attention to the economy news and the fundamental. This is the earnings season. So we have January, February, March, okay? And then April, we have the earnings season, all right? Then we have April, okay? May, June, and then in July, okay? All right? We have again earning season. And now in October, we have again, so the even month, okay? April, okay? And then we have again, okay? And then we have again, okay, in October, the earning season. Now, this is the time we want to know the economy news that are due, okay, will influence the market, okay? You are trading forex, you want to pay attention to the economy news that are released every day, especially during the first week of the month, which can be very, very volatile, okay? It makes sense, all right? Use the wave principle, but also pay attention to the economy news so you can make excellent trading decisions. You are trading a stock, know the market leaders of that group, and the market leaders can influence the markets, okay? Can influence the stock or the financial instrument that you are trading. Understand that the market indicators such as gold, crude oil, and the dollar-yen can influence the financial market, okay? I hope, okay, you have find this video useful, all right? And we'll put it to use, okay, to make excellent wave trading decisions, okay? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please give us the thumbs down. If you have any question, put in the, okay, in the comment section. And in due course, okay, we will record another video, okay, to answer your question. If you love our video, feel free to subscribe to our channel, okay? Check out for the video that we call the Trading Triangle at, okay, what is a Trading Triangle by George Rio, okay, on YouTube, so you may also understand it. Visit www.dayprotrader.com, click on Market Watch, and read more about, okay, the Trading Triangle. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about, okay, an Elliott wave trader, Clarifies, okay, why the NASDAQ 100 index gaps up, part 2. Speak to you soon.